Hi guys! Ako po ay si Andrei, and if you are an American viewer or just an English-used viewer, just research because some of my words are going to be Tagalog, so you will not understand them, obviously. So, ito yung McDonald's 2021, yung huling Happy Meal toys ng 2021 sa McDo. Isa, para alam ko yung ginagawa, kasi ganun ginagawa ko. So, lalagay lang natin yung plastic sa background para kapag may ibang interesado, may main. So, ito yung number 1 ay tawag Pikachu Compass or something. Compass, whatever. Ay, pinag-aralan ko yan sa AP. So, AP is Araling Panlipunan in Tagalog. Pwede po kasi. At yan, ito ang laruan. Okay naman. Paano ito? So, ganito. Ano nakalagay dyan? Ano nakalagay dyan?
Nabubuksan mo siya. Titignan mo siya.
So, nabubuksan. Ganyan. At ganyan lang. So, pakita ko sa inyo. At ganyan. So, titingnan mo lang siya sa baba. So, medyo limitless na na ginagawa. Pero maganda pa rin siyang laruan. So, ito na. Ito yung siya. Yung titingnan mo siya dito. Tapos, parang ginaganon mo lang siya. Yung ganyan lang, ganyan. So, medyo, pwede mo tong gawing parang lens. Parang binoculars. Para, kapag basically, camping to. Para, kapag nag-camping ka sa inyong bahay, pwede mong gamitin itong mga ito. Pero, so, open natin. Tingnan natin kung maganda siya. Kasi, itong dalawa medyo, okay, ito. So, basically, lalagyan, pwede mo itong gawing baso pang inom. And actually, baka reusable siya. Hindi ko alam kung pwede mo siyang gamitin talaga, pero tatry namin. Okay naman. So, pwede mong lagay dito yung cutter. Hindi ko alam kung natatanggal ba ito. Hindi. Iniikot lang. So, maganda naman. At yun si Pikachu. Itong whistle na to. Kung nag-whistle ba talaga si Pokemon na nagsasalita si Pikachu. Ano natin. At wala naman itong mga accessory na kasama. May gulong. Wala. Tignan natin. Wow! Ang ganda nito. Okay. Ito yung paborito ko right now. Ang ganda. It's green. It's verde, I guess. Paborito ko yung colors, kulay. So, definitely, nasa top 3 ko, top 3 ko tong favorite na laruan sa set na to. Tsaka, maganda yung, lahat ng expression ni Pikachu, lahat parehas. Probably, hindi nyo alam na si kapag sobrang daming Pikachu, magkakaroon siya ng lightning storm. So, interesting fact yun na tutunan yun ko kay Alexa doon. So, medyo tinan natin kung gumagana talaga siya. Ulitin natin. Ang ganda talaga na itong number 4. Okay. Okay, so, tinan natin. Wow! Okay, so, ay, mayroong thing. Tanggalin natin yun because that is just plastic. So, I'll be right back with this all out of here. But first, I'm gonna cut that. So, just do this. Wow, ang ganda. Pwede mong gamitin kapag nagka-brown out. Ang ganda. Kapag nagka-brown out kayo, pwede nitong gamitin. One of the best sets. Itong isa. At ito din, naka-plastic. Oh my God, nag-video ka ba? Okay. Parehas lang naman. Green tsaka brown. Pero maganda na, medyo iba. Maganda na change nila yung color. At ito yung isa. Ouch. So, mamaya na natin siya, so we'll probably show yung, yung periscope later. So, yeah, ganyan lang talaga, yung ganyan. Wow. Tingnan natin kung, malalaman natin mamaya. Tingnan natin, hindi ako nag-joke, ang laki nito. Talaga. So, ito, ang laki, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Tingnan natin ito. Oh, ito yung hat at may ito to. Tignan natin later. Tapos, tanggalin natin tong absolute na matlaki na. Okay. Parang sun visor. So, maganda naman. Sun visor. Parang hindi ka mainitan. Try natin. Hi, guys! Ay, alright, here's my favorite because like I said, my periscope was my favorite one. This is probably my favorite because this is directly from my EPP class. Because this is a shovel and rake, so I'm medyo excited naman ako sa naman ito. So, ito ang card. Ano ito? Ano natin yung dito? Ito, shovel, rake, at si Pikachu. Ito yung first look nyo ni Pikachu sa aking channel, Andrei Banson. Ka-chow! So here the shovel and rake, and they're actually feeling like realistic because back in 1992, 1993, I don't remember, but I'll put a picture right there. Magpupunta ko ng picture dyan sa gilid. Nang may McDo nung 1992, 1993. Again, hindi ko talaga alam. Oh. So, that's the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. But before we go, let's do some shoutouts. Two very important shoutouts. First is Ibo, Ethan, and Enzo. You guys have been asking for a shoutout in a long time. I already shouted out in my last video that I'm here. And then for Ate Pao and Kuya Matt, shoutout to you guys also. Ate Pao and Kuya Matt, happy helicopter, #helicopter. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you really enjoy, let me know what is your favorite toy out of all of these. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed, make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. Let me be part of our channel where Pikachu! Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye now.